pressure on. This is a 100-year-old furnace that we're removing today. And basically it was coal, then it was oil, then it was gas. It has no blower on it. And it takes up the whole basement. We're going to take this furnace out. We're going to put in a 95% efficiency variable speed gas furnace, snug it up in the corner over here, put in new ductwork, and remove and relocate the gas piping. And this will be a better high efficiency performing job at the outcome when we're done. And we'll talk to you about installing the sheet metal once we get to that point. And you'll be very happy with our results.